Alright, so here we are at the Dollar Tree, and believe it or not, the Dollar Tree is actually great for organizing items, especially for obviously organizing on a budget, because here at the Dollar Tree, everything is $1. So you can go crazy and deck out your organizing systems. If you want even more organizing inspiration, be sure to subscribe to our channel. So one of my favorite things for organizing are these. These little ones come 3 to a pack for just $1, and these bigger ones come 2 to a pack. And these are perfect for organizing little knickknacks inside of drawers, and since they're so cheap, you can buy several and just line them up in your drawer and keep it super organized. Okay, this little slim tray would be great in the office for little knickknacks, little paper clips, pins, something else over here, or I think you could use it in your vanity for organizing your makeup, like your makeup brushes, little things like that. This is another favorite because it's shallow and it fits papers great. So if you want to use it like an inbox on your desk or something like that for papers, or to store copy paper, and if you don't like the color, you can totally spray paint plastic and make it look really cute. Another great item for maximizing storage space is to use over-the-door hooks. They don't damage anything, they're super easy, no installation, and you can hang things like coats or towels or even necklaces or scarves on these. So these little magnetic tins would be great for like office paper clips, little knickknacks like that, or even like spices in the kitchen on the refrigerator. Okay, another thing from the Dollar Tree I love are these hangers. There's 8 for a pack, and of course everything's $1, so it's a great price. And one way to make your closet look super neat and tidy is to use all matching hangers. So these are so affordable, you can probably get yourself entire matching hangers. And I also love the little groove here. If you have a strap, it won't fall off of the hanger. All right, so this is a great idea for storing things like toys, other items, and it even says on here you can write directly on it with dry erase. So that's a pretty cool built-in labeling system. All right, another favorite is these little mini laundry baskets. These are great for organizing. I actually have used them in my kids' closets, especially when they're really little. You can just put their onesies in here and not even worry about folding them, and they look really neat, all stacked up, lined up on the shelf. Just anything that you want to throw things in and not have to place it in so neatly, it'll keep them corralled. And they have a few different colors here at my Dollar Tree. These bins are definitely one of my favorites because they have these handles. You can pull them out. I've used them in places like my laundry room. I emptied all those laundry pods in here and I can just pull it off the shelf. Even if your shelves are up a little higher, these handles make them great for storage. All right, this is another great organizing bin. It's pretty flexible. And it has handles so you can carry it around, so if you wanted to use it, it's also great for like party stuff at parties, and it's so cheap that you could buy several of them or put them in a closet, put kids things in here. And I also like, you can't see through them, so if what you have in here is not super tidy, it won't even be noticeable.